Welcome to my channel English Guide. I hope you all are well. Today I'm going to make video on clause which is important from class 8. I hope you will enjoy the video. So let's start. Clause. A clause consists of a subject and a verb and it expresses a thought. Okay. Now we can divide clause into three types. One is principal or independent or main clause. Another is subordinate or dependent clause, and the third one is coordinate clause. So what is principal clause? Principal clause stands by itself and makes a complete sense. Okay, so let's see. Everybody knows that he is honest. Everybody knows that he is honest. In this sentence, everybody is a subject, knows is a verb. So everybody knows stands by itself and makes a complete sense. So this is an example of principal or main or independent clause here. Okay, now come to dependent or subordinate clause. It cannot stand by itself and cannot make a complete sense. See, if you do not walk fast, you will miss the train. In this sentence, you will miss the train stands by itself and makes a complete sense. So this is an example of main clause. But if you do not walk fast, cannot stand by itself and cannot make a complete sense. Here, if you do not walk fast depends on you will miss the train. So if you do not walk fast is an example of dependent or subordinate clause, right? Now coordinate clause. Coordinate clause is of equal importance to the main clause and linked to it by coordinating conjunction like but, and, neither nor, either nor, etc. Okay. He is poor, but he is honest. In this sentence, he is poor is a main clause, okay, and he is honest is equally important to the main clause, and both of these sentences are connected by this conjunction but. So here this is an example of coordinate clause. Okay, we can divide subordinate or dependent clause into three types. So let's see. Okay, now what is noun clause? It does the work of noun in a sentence. Why he left is a mystery. In this sentence, why he left does the work of a noun here. So this is an example of noun clause. Now adjective clause. It does the work of adjective in a sentence. The boy who stole my watch has been caught. In this sentence, who stole my watch does the work of adjective here. So this is an example of adjective clause. Who stole my watch has a relation with the boy. So we can also say this a relative clause. Okay. Now number C is adverb clause. It does the work of adverb in a sentence. Don't talk while I'm reading. In this sentence, while I am reading does the work of adverb. So this is an example of adverb clause. So this was all about clauses. If you like my video, please like, comment and share, and follow my channel for more new videos. Till then, thank you. Bye.